In this video, I will show you how you can move objects in your photos on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just go to the Gallery app and select a photo from which you want to move an object. For an example, I will select this photo. Now to move an object from this photo, just tap on the Galaxy AI icon over here. Now after you do that, these options will appear on the screen. From here, just select Move. And after you select Move, now just create a circle around the object which you want to move. For example, I will create a circle around this apple. And once your Samsung phone detects the object, now just tap and hold on the object and move it to anywhere you want. For example, I will place it over here, but you can place it anywhere where you want. Now you can increase or decrease the size of the object by just dragging the object from the dots over here. And once you're satisfied with the placement of the object, then just tap on Generate. Now after you do that, you will move the object from the first place to the second place which you have selected. Now you can either tap on Keep Editing and you can move more objects, or you can remove objects from the photo. But if you're done editing the photo, then just tap on Save Copy and it will create a copy of the original photo. Now let's edit this photo too. So I'll just tap on the Galaxy AI icon over here. And from this menu, I will select Move. Now just draw a circle around the object. And once it detects the object, now just tap and hold on the object and move it to wherever you want. You can increase or decrease the size of the object as you wish. And once you're satisfied with the placement of the object, then just tap on Generate. And it will move the object from the first place to the second place which you have selected. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.